Locate your left and right side panels and insert them into the vertical grooves on the face of the hood. The vertical grooves on the hood should line up with the grooves on the face. Use 2 metal clips at the top and bottom of each wall. This will secure the walls to the front of the cabinet. Each clip requires 4 screws. Slide the top and bottom into the grooves on the walls. Make sure the lip on the top and bottom fall into the grooves on the face frame. Use 2 metal clips on the bottom of the cabinet. This will secure the bottom of the hood to the side panels. Place the back panel on the back of the cabinet. Make sure the back wall falls into the lips on the side panels. Secure the back wall to the cabinet using 4 large screws in the designated screw holes. Use 2 corner brackets to secure the top, back wall, and side walls together using 3 screws per bracket. Use 2 metal clips to secure the top of the cabinet to the face frame of the hood. Each clip requires 4 screws. Secure the hinges to the door with 2 medium screws per hinge.